Hey there, YouTube fans. This is Dr. Chris coming to you with our next episode of How I Done It. I'm going to try my hand at backyard maple syrup. You need to make sure you have all the right supplies. You're going to need a tool to get a hole in the tree. You're going to need a spile. You're going to need a hammer. And then, of course, something to collect the sap. I'm going to use a 5-gallon bucket with tubing. And you'll hear a change in the sound of the tapping as you get the spile to the right depth. Well, there you have it, YouTube friends. This has been my first attempt at tapping this huge maple tree in my backyard. I want to give a huge shout out to the maple farmer, Nikki Boxler, and a shout out to my family and friends. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and leave your comments below. Until next time, this has been Dr. Chris with another episode of How I Done It.